Okay, YouTube, today's the day. The engine is finally going to come out. I have the hood removed. Messing with the white balance here. Have the hood removed. It's over there. It is going to go back on the car because it is outside. I have the rear transmission mount off. So as you can see, the engine just wiggles around. We've only got that mount there, this mount here. Not going to go too in depth. I did leave the front of the car on just because I don't have the space for everything. Just want to get the engine out on the engine hoist or engine stand and start tearing into it and see what's wrong. I do have, using the 2 hook locations, we'll be using an engine lever to get it out, or a leveler, and then I'm just using a regular Harbor Freight. I'm going to get you guys up on the stand and go through it that way. Not going to go too far in depth, so hopefully you guys enjoy. So the engine's out. Transmission got caught up on this part of the exhaust. I probably should have just taken the exhaust out, and then got caught up on the brake fluid thing. That doesn't even look like it screws in. I did damage the one sensor that I was worried about, but I have another one. This sensor right here got damaged right there, but I have some other ones. But that's it. I'll take you back once I have the whole thing and we start disassembly.